Hi guys, in this video we will see how to stop iPhone App Store asking for password. If you try to open App Store and each time App Store asking for password, then here is the process to stop it. Open settings of your iPhone. Here tap on your profile icon. Here look for the option media and purchases. Here tap on settings. Here you will find two options: always required password, required after 15 minutes, or free downloads, require passwords. So choose require after 15 minutes or always required. After selecting it, you will not be asked any password for opening, downloading from your App Store. The second method is restart your iPhone. Simply turn off your iPhone and restart your iPhone. The third one is go to App Store. Here tap on your profile icon from the top right corner and make sure that all apps are updated. So tap on update all and update all your iPhone apps update. The third one is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Here tap on apps. Here scroll down and go to FaceTime, and here tap on turn the toggle button off against FaceTime. So disable FaceTime as well as iMessages. To fix this issue is iPhone apps asking for password each time, then disable FaceTime as well as iMessages. Go to apps, messages, and turn off iMessages. The next method to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone. Tap on settings of your iPhone. Here scroll down and tap on your profile icon and sign out from your Apple ID account, and wait few seconds and again re-sign in with your Apple ID account. That's all.